Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we are diving into what is arguably the best 700x28C inner tube on the market, the Ultraverse bike inner tube. Designed specifically for road and gravel bikes, this inner tube is crafted to fit a range of 700C wheel sizes. If you're looking for reliability, durability, and ease of use, this product is definitely worth your attention. The Ultraverse inner tube is made from solid, thick butyl rubber, a material known for its excellent resistance to ozone cracking, weathering, and aging. This means the tube maintains its integrity over time, providing long-lasting performance even in tough riding conditions. One standout feature is its heavy-duty reinforced rubber base paired with a robust 48mm Presta valve. This valve design prevents the common issue of valve shearing while cycling, ensuring your tube stays intact and functional during rides. These tubes are designed with the user in mind, fitting all types of road and cyclocross bicycles seamlessly. The product comes as a two-pack, which includes 2 inner tubes and 2 tire levers, making it a convenient package for cyclists who want to be prepared for any tire issues on the road. The included tire levers are pro tools that allow for quick and easy installation, significantly reducing the time and effort usually required to replace an inner tube. Puncture resistance is another important aspect of this inner tube. Ultraverse has incorporated thorn-resistant technology that has been thoroughly tested to provide higher resistance to punctures compared to standard tubes. This feature is essential for riders who frequently navigate gravel paths or areas where sharp debris might be present. Installation is straightforward. First, you remove the wheel from your bike, then deflate and remove the old inner tube. Next, insert the new Ultraverse tube carefully into the tire, making sure it is properly seated. Finally, inflate the tube to the recommended pressure, and you're ready to hit the road again. The tube's design and the included tools make this process much easier and faster than usual. In terms of specifications, the package is compact and lightweight, with dimensions of approximately 4.69 by 3.7 by 2.2 inches and a weight of 0.3 kilograms. This makes it easy to carry a spare tube and tools with you during your rides. The warranty provided covers defects in workmanship and materials, giving you additional peace of mind when investing in this product. To sum up, the Ultraverse 700x28C inner tube is a well-crafted, durable, and user-friendly solution for road and gravel bike riders. Its strong butyl rubber material, reinforced valve, puncture resistance, and included tire levers make it a comprehensive package for anyone looking to replace or upgrade their bike tubes. Whether you're a casual rider or a serious cyclist, this inner tube promises reliability and performance that won't let you down. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest and detailed product insights. Thanks for watching.